Ayan, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Si Brother Sunny po, The Boys Vlog, The Boys Journey. Awitan ko po kayo para maiba naman tayo, no? Mabago naman yung ang aking pong kakantayin ay Prayer of Saint Francis, no? Disclaimer lang po, ito po hindi po para pagkakitaan, para lang po tayo ma-entertain, no? Yung ating mga kababayan. Okay, here we go. Make me a channel of your peace, where there is hatred let me bring your love, where there is injury your pardon Lord, and where there's doubt to fade in you. Make me a channel of your peace, where there despair in life let it bring hope, where there is darkness only light, and where there's sadness ever joy. Oh Master, grant that I may never see so much to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to be loved as to love with all my soul. Make me a channel of your peace. It is in pardoning that we are pardoned, giving to all men that we receive, and in dying that we're born to eternal life. Oh Master, grant that I may never see so much to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to be loved as to love with all my soul. Yan po ay isang awitin ng aming community sa Couples for Christ. Mega love shoutout po sa lahat ng mga CFC all over the world. Yan. Thank you.